Mindfulness in the recent past, reflecting on recent moments of awareness. In recent years, mindfulness has gained significant attention as a practice that promotes self-awareness and living in the present moment. This trend has been fueled by studies showing the benefits of mindfulness in reducing stress, anxiety, and improving mental well-being. In this essay, we will explore some recent moments of mindfulness and how they have impacted our daily lives. One example of mindfulness in the recent past is when I was walking in the park and noticed the vibrant colors of the flowers blooming all around me. Instead of being lost in thought or distracted by my phone, I took a moment to pause and appreciate the beauty of nature. This simple act of being present allowed me to feel a sense of calm and gratitude for the world around me. Another moment of mindfulness occurred during a yoga class when the instructor guided us to focus on our breath and sensations in our body. As I tuned into my breath and movements, I felt a deep connection to my body and felt more grounded and centered. This experience reminded me of the power of mindfulness in fostering a greater sense of self-awareness and presence. Additionally, mindfulness has played a role in my daily routine, such as taking time to savor a cup of tea in the morning without any distractions. By being fully present in the moment and focusing on the taste and warmth of the tea, I found that it helped me start my day with a sense of calm and clarity. Furthermore, mindfulness has also helped me in challenging situations, such as when I was feeling overwhelmed with work deadlines. By taking a moment to pause, breathe, and ground myself in the present moment, I was able to approach the tasks with a clearer mind and a greater sense of focus. In conclusion, mindfulness has become an essential practice in my life to cultivate a greater sense of awareness and presence.